In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Google Workspace subscription. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to your Google admin console, so admin.google.com, and then from here, you want to go on billing over here on the left, and you want to click on subscriptions. Now here you'll be able to see your subscriptions and you want to click on the one you want to cancel. So for me, I have this business starter over here. I'm going to click on it. And then over here, you can see basically all the details. And at the bottom left, it's going to say more. Click on that. And from here, click on cancel subscription. And when you do that over here, as you can see, it's going to basically tell you the domain and then the licenses, etc. And then here is going to ask you basically that before you go, please tell them why you're leaving. And then just basically click on the one that's the most relevant. Click on continue over here. And then you have to basically type in I have read the information above after you read that, and you will have to basically enter in your email address yet again to be able to continue. So I'll just copy it from up here because I have it here. There we go. And I'm going to click on cancel my subscription. And that way your subscription is going to get canceled, as you can see like it says on my screen. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.